In this video, you will learn how to use your Atome virtual card. First, access the virtual card. Open the Atome app on your mobile device. Navigate to the card section. Here you will find the virtual card details, including your card number, expiry date and CVV number. Shop online. During checkout at any online store that accepts Mastercard, select credit or debit card payment. Enter your Atome virtual card details so that it would be like any other card. Authenticate the payment. For added security, you may receive a one-time password or an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP to complete your transaction. Manage payments. After making a purchase, you can choose to pay in full. Split the payment into 3 or 6 monthly installments, depending on your preference, at the merchant offerings. Manage your payments and view your billing statements directly with the Atome app. Now you know how to use the Atome virtual card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.